Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to cutepolish. In today's nail art tutorial, April will be showing you how to shape your nails 5 different ways. She'll be covering oval, almond, stiletto, square, and coffin. Guys, let us know down in the comments which shape your nails currently are.
Hi guys, it's April. Let's get started. I'll start with the oval shape. The tip of the oval shape looks like a semicircle. The sides of the tip should be even, as they are continuing the sides of natural nail. Thus the sides are connected by a semicircle tip, forming an oval nail. You can draw a line in the middle, which will help you to create this shape. The nail needs to be filed from both sides. First, I align the sides of the tip and shape it into a semicircle. Wipe off the middle line, and the oval nail is done. Next shape is almond. This shape has a tapered tip with soft rounded sides and dual edge. Sides can be narrower or wider. When the shape has a soft tip, it's considered an almond shape. You can draw a middle line again if that helps you practice. We need to file the sides, making the nail tapered to the tip and rounding the edge. Our almond shape is complete. The next shape is stiletto. Stiletto has straight sides narrowing to the tip. File each side and narrow them to the tip. And this is a stiletto shape. Here we can see the difference between oval, almond, and stiletto. The next shape is square. The square shape consists of 2 parallel sides and a flat tip. The angles of the square nail are 90 degrees. Start filing from the sides, making them perfectly parallel to each other. After that, file off the tip so it's perfectly straight and square. The square shape is done. And the last shape is called coffin or ballerina. This shape is very similar to the square shape and can be known as a tapered square. The only difference is that the sides are not parallel to each other, but instead they are slightly tapered. Once again, start filing the sides to make them straight but with a little angle to them. After that, make the tip flat. Apply top coat over your nails. Don't forget to moisturize the cuticle with oil. And here we have all 5 different nail shapes. Let me know in comments which nail shape is your favorite. Click these boxes to watch more awesome nail tutorials here on cutepolish. Hit the circle to subscribe. And click the circle to come check out my personal nail channel. Thank you for watching.